everybody. We are team The Wolf. I'm Dylan Lei, and this is my partner, Philip and Njapa. Today, we'll be talking about representing Amazon.com. We start with an overview of the company. Amazon is an e-commerce and cloud computing company with revenue in 2016 of $135.9 billion. Amazon is a big company with with the current market capitalization of $388.5 billion. In terms of Amazon's industry, projecting out to 2020, Forrester Research estimates that US e-commerce sales will grow to more than $530 billion. With that growth, it is likely that by 2020, Amazon will observe a 93% increase in sales with the current market share, assuming that the current market share does not increase. Amazon's retailing service is operating not only in the States, but also in 14 other countries, including big markets such as China, India, and Germany. The company also offers shipping to many more other countries. Now, we mostly hear about Amazon's retailing service, while in fact, Amazon offers a lot more. My partner here will be talking about the services offered by Amazon.
All right, so Amazon services. So you guys are well aware of Amazon, as it's one of the biggest companies in the world. Some of its big services are Amazon.com, where it sells retail items, and one of its biggest attractions with that is Amazon Prime, where it gives great deals for example, like free shipping, 2-day shipping, and just great discounts on their overall products. And with that comes like things like Amazon Video, where it's like a media sharing, streaming platform, similar to Netflix, where they introduce several of their own films as well as other films from HBO, Stars, to many more. And also, for 2017, they're introducing Amazon Go, which is a store type of Amazon product where you don't even need a cashier or any sort of physical human to exchange the materials of goods and etc. All you need is just a phone to just walk in and grab the things that you need and then just walk out. And that'll be shipping out maybe 2017, early 2017. And also Amazon also hosts other companies such as Zappos and Twitch and just other stuff like that, which Zappos is a shoe company and Twitch is a gaming, streaming kind of television entertainment industry, and just a lot of things, and it's not just about retailing. So now I want to move on to Amazon's biggest and most profitable service, and it's Amazon Web Service. It's Amazon's secret weapon. Amazon Web Service is an online web-based cloud server kind of thing, and it helps startups to big companies with their running their systems, securing their systems, store all their databases. It holds, it's employed by the U.S. government, Netflix, Berkeley, just a ton of different businesses from all over. And the great thing about it is that there's very low overhead. It costs very little for both the companies and Amazon to run, as Amazon only holds 8 databases, and it doesn't take up like shipping with their other services and plane costs and just a lot of other services. And over the years, it started about 10 years ago, but over the years, it's been growing exponentially. For example, Jeff Bezos, he said that, the CEO, he said that this year he estimates that, this last quarter, he estimates that the AWS will reach a revenue of $10 billion, and it actually exceeded that by $2 billion more, $12 billion. And it's now like the highest operating profit that Amazon has.
Okay, up next we'll be talking about competitive landscape for Amazon. What makes Amazon such a formidable empire is its lack of real competitors in its market. Now, what are you talking about here? Amazon's share of the e-commerce market is about 41.2%, fell far behind Best Buy and Nordstrom with only 2.7% market share. Now, some have raised concerns about Amazon's reaching market saturation in online retailing soon. However, we should remember that Amazon is investing in many diverse different areas, not just e-commerce. That's what makes it a reliable business. In fact, most of Amazon's profits comes from non-e-commerce sectors such as the Amazon Web Service. Also, Amazon is investing heavily in foreign markets, expanding its operations overseas. Now, looking at this chart, we can see how Amazon stock growth is a lot higher than our S&P 500's growth rate. Also, on the chart with the blue line is Walmart's stock. We can see how the merge of companies like Amazon have affected, make the stock of companies like Walmart slumping over the last few years. Now, traditional physical retailing still accounts for a lot of the retailing industry, but Amazon will be taking over this market soon. With the introduction of Amazon Go, Amazon, an innovative grocery store, Amazon will be on a journey to overtake this traditional retailing market. Now, we know that Amazon stock is a pricey stock, but we believe that its reliability makes the price worth it. Even with high market cap and price, Amazon can still be considered undervalued, especially when just a few days ago, a new Q4 earnings report rolled out for Amazon, which shows its revenue fell short of expectation, 43.7 billion compared to expected $44.8 billion. Now, this report in effect drives the price down by 4%. Now, we should not look at this as a bad signal for Amazon. We attribute this underperformance to huge investments in new products such as like Echo Alexa and Amazon Fulfillment Program in mid-2016.
Can you talk about the competitive landscape in the cloud services industry?
Okay, so the closest competition is Microsoft's Azure software, and the market share value is of Amazon is 31% compared to Microsoft's 9%, and Amazon has gotten so big that it's even shut down traditional IT companies such as HP, which now HP uses Amazon software. So Amazon, like the AWS system, is just 10 times far better than any of the other competitions available. So.
Great.
Can you discuss how Amazon is performing relative to other foreign e-commerce firms such as like Taobao, Tmall, Alibaba,
JD.com.
JD, yeah.
Well, we know that China is a huge market, and most of and the biggest company operating into e-commerce in China is probably Alibaba.
Mm-hmm.
Now, Amazon is not able to compete with Alibaba in the China market, but it is the dominant e-commerce force in other countries, and Amazon has its operation in China, and we believe that Amazon will be expanding its operation there soon.
Also, Amazon is the biggest e-commerce website in the United States. I think it has like over 580 billion from I think last year or maybe the year before, and it's now starting to explore international businesses. I think last year it was 9 billion. I'm not sure the numbers, but so it's starting to explore more international venues as well.
I love the company, but how do you justify a PE of 164?
Excuse me?
How do you justify a PE ratio of 164? Price to earning ratio.
PELP ratio of 164. Well, I'm sorry, when you talk about PE ratio, like,
So their earnings is 1/6, like they, for every dollar they earn,
yeah,
the investor is paying $164.
okay. Well, now what Jeff Bezos is trying to do is that he's trying to build a loyal customer base, with long-term goals with with customers attached to many different Amazon products. So he spends a lot of Amazon spends a lot of investment on developing products. Now we have heard in the past, but since day one, right, investors have been complaining about Amazon spending too much money on investment that are they call it too futuristic.
Can you give me an example?
An example would be the Amazon drone service. Many people think it's a crazy idea, but what Bezos is looking ahead. He's not trying to make short-term value gain. He's looking to expand a wide range of products. Same way as Apple has been trying to do, have people use many different services, so they attach to the company, attach to the services.
Even AWS it didn't start overnight. It was one of the first cloud-based servers systems, and many people, they didn't have faith in it, but Bezos, he thought ahead, and he knew it was going to be successful. And look at it today; it's one of the biggest cloud-based softwares today, making more than half of Amazon's profits today.
So you think what they're doing will result in a higher price in the future,
Yes.
because you think that this R&D
Higher
and the
earnings.
different things that they do justify what a higher future price.
Yes.
Especially in 2017, when the products they spend money on developing in 2016, they will bring back revenue for Amazon. They launched Amazon Go in early 2017. They launched Alexa Echo in 2016, but they really start focus on marketing them in 2017. So we see revenue coming back.
Any idea why they price Alexa so cheap?
That's what we were talking about right there. That they are trying to build a customer base, a loyal customer base.
And how will they benefit from them? Like I have an Alexa now.
Yes.
How do Amazon make revenue post me buying an Alexa?
Now, they can provide a lot of Amazon-related services with an Alexa, and also pricing it cheap. Embark a new journey for Amazon to get into every home. And for later developments, now
What are the later developments?
later developments, they can build more complicated systems than Amazon and Alexa or Echo.
My question is like, how do you convert a customer who just purchased an Echo
Yes.
into purchasing more Amazon products?
Um,
Or it's just like I bought a $50 product, I use it for a month, and I'll just chuck it away. How does Amazon project taking this product and generating more sales?
By adding the version 2, by adding, giving more customer service, adding more features. Amazon is one of the most innovative companies out today, and
well, they price it down like that, they can attract customers, and then later, when they create a customer base, they can raise this price up.
I already
That's
have the
what-
device.
They possibly maybe innovate in integrate it into vehicles or something like that.
Some kind of advertisement has to be there. Like, how will they make
Yes,
money?
the brand Amazon, right, be in every home, and that's one way. And also, that's what Jeff Bezos is about. He's trying to make, to create this huge brand Amazon that operates in many different areas. Yes, they might have to sacrifice